If your Toshiba TV turns on, but the screen stays black, don't panic yet. In this video, I'll show you the simple fixes first, then the advanced checks you can try before taking the TV for repair. Step 1. Check if the TV is actually on. First, check if your Toshiba TV is getting power. Look for the standby light on the front or bottom of the TV. Press the power button on the remote, then press the physical power button on the TV itself. If the standby light changes but the screen stays black, the TV is turning on but not showing picture. If there is no light at all, test another wall outlet and make sure the power cable is firmly connected. Step 2. Do a power reset. The first fix is a power reset. Turn off the Toshiba TV and unplug it from the wall socket. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for about 15 to 30 seconds. This helps drain leftover power from the TV. After that, plug it back directly into the wall outlet and turn it on again. Step 3. Restart your TV. If you have a Toshiba Fire TV, the software may be frozen on a black screen. Press and hold the select button and the play/pause button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. This should restart the Fire TV system. Wait a few minutes because the screen may stay black while the TV reloads. If the screen comes back, the problem was most likely a temporary software freeze. Step 4. Check the input source. A black screen can happen when the TV is on the wrong input. Press the input or source button on your remote and slowly switch through HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, AV, or TV mode. Stop on the input where your cable box, console, streaming stick, or receiver is connected. If you see no signal, the TV screen is working, but the connected device or input source needs attention. Step 5. Check HDMI cables and devices. Unplug the HDMI cable from the TV and the connected device. Plug it back in firmly or try another HDMI cable if you have one. Also, try a different HDMI port on the TV. If you use a soundbar, HDMI splitter, adapter, or receiver, connect the device directly to the Toshiba TV for testing. Sometimes the TV is fine, but a bad cable, weak HDMI port, or external device causes the black screen. Step 6. Test the remote and menu. Press the Home button, Menu button, or Settings button on the Toshiba remote. If the menu appears, the TV display is working and the issue is probably with the input, app, HDMI device, or signal source. If the menu does not appear but the TV has sound, then the issue may be with the backlight, display panel, or internal board. Step 7. Check brightness and settings. If the screen is very dim instead of completely black, open the picture settings and increase the backlight, brightness, and contrast. Also, turn off power saving mode, eco mode, or automatic brightness if your model has those options. These settings can sometimes make the screen look too dark, especially in a bright room. Step 8. Try the flashlight test. Now do a simple backlight test. Turn on the TV and play something with sound. Then shine a flashlight very close to the screen at an angle. Look carefully for a faint image, menu, logo, or moving picture. If you can see a faint image with the flashlight, the screen panel is still producing a picture, but the LED backlight may have failed. This usually needs repair. Step 9. Update the TV software. If the screen comes back after restarting, check for software updates. On Toshiba Fire TV models, go to Settings, then My Fire TV, then About, then check for updates. Keeping the system updated can fix display bugs, app crashes, and black screen problems caused by software issues.